vlog. So today guys, we're gonna make a walking chicken in the grass. Don't forget to watch my video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button.
So what do we need?
So we will need some three rounding circles.
Okay. What else?
We need beak.
Okay.
And we need some chicken feet.
It's not feet, it's chicken legs. But don't eat that.
Yeah, don't eat that. And now we will need googly eyes.
Where is the googly eyes? This is the googly eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, see.
And
we will need some paper grass.
okay.
And we will need some white clouds.
That's good. And how are we gonna stick to them?
We will need some glue.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, first we will remove everything.
Okay, let's remove everything.
So we can start.
Okay.
We have to do the grass, guys.
Okay, let's do the grass first.
Oh no!
That's a lot of glue.
No! How we get up there?
That's lots of glue.
Oh no, that's a lot. Can I do it?
Yeah.
I will stick here.
No, that's not good.
Let's here.
Okay. Give me.
Okay, now we're gonna stick this one. Can I stick it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a lot of glue. There.
Okay, let me fix it.
That's a lot of glue.
It's okay.
Now we will need some round.
Okay, let's make the first chicken.
Yeah.
Get the scissors. Okay.
Just make it.
Okay, first we need to cut it.
That's
Okay.
what we will need
Yeah,
to the chicken.
to the
So
chicken.
we will need some popcorn. The chicken.
Okay.
Popcorn for the chicken.
Okay.
Now they will get some.
We need to
some
stick it first.
popcorn.
No popcorn yet. Let's
You
stick
know, popcorn.
it. Let's stick it first.
See guys, it's my blog, not TikTok. What happened to you?
We just need a
You're
little
like-
glue.
Oh no,
Yeah,
you got
just,
in your stick.
just little glue.
So it will get sticky.
Sticky glue.
It will jump high.
Okay. That's one glue. Another one.
We will need to do an ugly one. Oh no, what happened to the
What happened to the glue? It's broken.
So let me see the glue.
And
No, it's broken.
it's okay.
See, Daddy? See?
It's okay.
That's why I squeezed. See what happened? Here's the proof on it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, what happened to the glue? They look like chicks. Sweet looking chicks. Very, very sweet and cute.
Really? How do you know?
Because they're cute for me.
Okay.
Well,
Can
they're
you
like-
fix the...
Yeah, I can. But I will do the beaks sticking.
Okay.
I will stick the beaks.
Okay, you stick it. The legs now. And two legs.
Mommy, you know the birthday of Kiss? Just like,
You have Daddy.
you know, Mommy, of the birthday of Kiss, that video?
Oh, it looks so nice. It's so cute.
Is it nice?
It looks like, here's the other one. I cannot get some more. I just have the other one.
Okay.
I know it got spilled.
It's okay.
We have to fix that glue. We have to put the clouds, hurry. Because you know, the clouds will take some time to go out.
Okay.
No time to put the clouds. Here's the clouds.
Yeah, we will put the clouds.
Yeah, we're just gonna put it later. Now it's gonna be the next cloud. You will put this in my classroom, in my room. You will make it like a picture frame.
Yes.
You know, guys. So we're gonna put these clouds here.
Where?
There's a cloud here.
Okay.
Yeah, the clouds there is okay. Yeah.
Here. Okay.
Yeah.
Put the glue on the
No,
cloud.
it's gonna rain here. In the chicks, you can go here because this one is a naughty chick.
Naughty chicks. Why it's naughty?
This one is naughty because it's like this one chick. That's why it
Where
cannot
you
be
want?
this.
Here?
Here.
Okay.
It's not. It's going everywhere.
Okay. Can we make some rain also? You want to have a rain?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's make some rain.
Okay, where is the white paper?
Oh, it rains. So that's why we're gonna make a lot of rain.
Rain. But first we need clouds.
Yeah, more clouds coming through. Like this one is like nice the same.
Really?
Yeah. So that's why this one is like.
That looks like a funny cloud. Let's fix
I
it.
think Daddy's doing like a dark cloud.
Okay, that's a nice cloud.
You know.
It's like a shoes.
It's like stepping in the floor like this. This is the floor and that's the shoe.
Okay, put in the cloud there. Can you stick the cloud? Let's make the rain first.
Yeah, more rain coming through.
Okay, we just need few rain.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in a cup. Give it here.
Okay. We don't need to stick it.
We need the stick.
Okay.
Now I can help.
Yeah, it's your vlog.
Am I?
It's not my vlog. Okay. I'll do this. Oh, it's stuck on my head. Sorry, on my hand.
Head.
Oh no.
He thinks you're a paper.
Oh yeah. Can we have some paper, please? So we will just throw it here. So
Down.
why?
It's sticking.
Okay.
Okay.
This is how you make a chicken in the grass. See? This are walking chicks in the grass. You can make this at home if you're bored. And subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Don't miss that. Bye!
Chicken is walking.
I do like